Florida Suboxone clinic near me that accept Medicaid. Opioid use disorder is a severe medical condition affecting thousands of people in the U.S. and the state of Florida. However, the good news is that treatment options can help people suffering from this disorder. Opioid addiction is not a hopeless case. People suffering from opioid use disorder can recover and lead normal, healthy lives with the proper treatment. One of the most effective treatments for opioid dependence is Suboxone treatment. Suboxone is a medication used to help people wean off opioids. You can access this treatment through a Suboxone clinic. So if you're looking for a Suboxone clinic that accepts Medicaid, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll talk about how to get treatment for opioid dependence in Florida, the success rates of Suboxone treatment, the benefits of MIT with Suboxone, how to find a Suboxone clinic or doctor near you that accepts insurance, and more. Let's get started. Opioid dependence is a chronic, relapsing brain disease characterized by compulsive drug seeking and use despite harmful consequences. People dependent on opioids have intense cravings for the drug and often find that they cannot control their use. As their tolerance increases, they may need to take larger and more frequent doses to get the same effect. Over time, it can lead to dangerous health consequences, including overdose and death. In recent years, thousands of lives have been lost to opioid overdoses in Florida. In fact, according to a report by TampaBay.org, there were 4,294 opioid overdose deaths in Florida in 2019. That's an average of 12 people dying every day from opioids. In 2022, the CDC reported more than 109,000 drug overdose deaths nationwide. It's estimated that 2/3 of these deaths were caused by opioids, specifically by a synthetic opioid called fentanyl. Despite the alarming statistics, there is still hope. People suffering from opioid use disorder can get treatment and recover. People dependent on opioids can learn to manage their condition and live productive lives with proper medical care and support. In the state of Florida, there are many treatment options available. You can get treatment through inpatient or outpatient programs, medication-assisted treatment or MIT centers, detoxification programs, and more. But the first step to achieving long-term recovery is finding a Suboxone clinic near you that provides a comprehensive treatment program. A Suboxone treatment program includes medication, counseling, and other support services to help patients overcome their addiction. Finding a program tailored specifically to your needs is essential to increase your chances of success. Suboxone is generally considered effective in treating opioid addiction, with success rates ranging from 40–60%. However, the exact success rate of Suboxone treatment depends on several factors, including the severity of the addiction, the length of time the person has been taking Suboxone, and whether or not they are also participating in other forms of treatment, such as counseling or 12-step programs. Additionally, some people may experience side effects from Suboxone that make it challenging to continue taking the medication. For these reasons, it is essential to consult with a doctor or other medical professional before starting any treatment for opioid addiction. MIT, or medication-assisted treatment, is a treatment option for those struggling with opioid addiction. MIT uses medication, such as Suboxone, counseling, and behavioral therapy to help people overcome their addiction. This treatment approach is often considered the gold standard of care for opioid addiction because it increases the chances of success and decreases the likelihood of relapse and overdose. Other than that, here are a few more benefits of MIT with Suboxone. The beauty of MIT is that it is an evidence-based treatment option, which means a significant amount of research to support its efficacy. In fact, many experts and organizations, including the American Medical Association, the CDC, and the National Institute on Drug Abuse, or NIDA, have come out in support of MIT as a treatment for opioid addiction. It's reported that 90% of people who participated in MIT for opioid addiction were able to stay sober for 2 years or more and can live productive lives away from drugs. MIT is an affordable treatment option covered by most insurance plans, including Medicare and Medicaid. In addition, many MIT programs offer sliding scale fees based on your income. It means you can get the treatment you need without worrying about the cost. If you don't have an insurance plan covering MIT, options are still available. Many NAP programs offer financing plans or will work with you to create a payment plan that fits your budget. The goal of MIT is to help people overcome their addiction and life sober. MIT programs use medication to stabilize patients and decrease the likelihood of relapse. In addition, MIT can reduce the risk of overdose. All of this is possible because MIT helps to normalize brain chemistry, restore balance in the brain, and improve communication between the different parts of the brain. Medication, counseling, and other support services work together to help people in recovery achieve long-term sobriety. MIT with Suboxone can last for as long as someone needs it. Some people may need to remain in treatment for a few months, while others may need to stay in treatment for years. The length of time someone stays in treatment depends on several factors, including the severity of their addiction and how well they respond to treatment. If you or someone you know is struggling with opioid addiction, know that help is available. MIT with Suboxone is an effective treatment option to help you overcome your addiction and live sober. Online Suboxone treatment is another option for Florida residents who can't find a local Suboxone clinic or don't have the time to travel to a traditional brick-and-mortar clinic. With online Suboxone treatment, you can connect with a licensed doctor from the comfort of your home. All you need is a computer or smartphone and an internet connection. During your virtual visit through video conferences, your doctor will ask you about your medical history and current symptoms. They will then prescribe you a Suboxone film or tablet that dissolves under your tongue. The medication is shipped directly to your local pharmacy, and you can start treatment immediately. Online Suboxone treatment is a convenient and effective way to get your needed help. If you're struggling to find time to travel to a traditional clinic, or if there aren't any Suboxone clinics near you, online treatment may be the right option. Absolutely. In Florida, getting a Suboxone prescription online from a licensed physician is legal. The state's telehealth laws allow patients to consult with doctors via telephone or video chat, and many doctors are now using this technology to treat patients with substance use disorder or SUD. Suboxone is a medication used to treat SUD. To get a Suboxone prescription in Florida, you must consult with a licensed Suboxone doctor and prescribe the medication. Many online resources can help you find a licensed physician in your area, like our website, suboxonedoctor.com. Our platform allows you to quickly and easily connect with a licensed Suboxone doctor willing to prescribe the medication online, accept patients from Florida through virtual means, and accept insurance like Medicare, Medicaid, or other private insurance. Once you find a Suboxone doctor, you must schedule an appointment and complete a medical evaluation. The doctor will ask about your symptoms and medical history during the assessment. If the doctor determines that Suboxone is right for you, they will write a prescription and send it to your pharmacy of choice. You can then fill the prescription and begin treatment. Virtual telehealth treatment offers a convenient and affordable way to receive Suboxone treatment from the comfort of your home. With virtual telehealth treatment, you can connect with a certified Suboxone provider anywhere in the United States. It means you can get Suboxone treatment even if there are no providers in your area. In addition, virtual telehealth treatment offers flexible appointment times and affordable pricing. As a result, virtual telehealth treatment is an ideal option for those who are looking for Suboxone treatment. If you're looking for a Suboxone doctor in Florida that accepts insurance, the best place to start is our website, suboxonedoctor.com. We offer a convenient and easy-to-use platform that allows you to quickly and easily connect with certified Florida Suboxone doctors in your area. In addition, we accept all major insurance plans, including Medicare and Medicaid. We can help you find a Suboxone doctor that fits your needs and budget. We serve all Florida, including the following cities: Fort Lauderdale, Boca Raton, Hollywood, West Palm Beach, Tampa Bay, Miami. If you're ready to start your journey to recovery, we can help. Visit our website today to learn more about our services or to schedule an appointment with a certified Florida Suboxone doctor.